Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hope you all are fine. Today I will teach you mathematics of grade 3. So today we are going to start our new topic, expanded form, page number 28. We will learn in this chapter how to write 6-digit numbers in expanded form. So let's start. Let me tell you about expanded form. Expanded means writing out a number showing all the parts that make it up. We use the expanded form to make sure we understand every part of a number. We have learned the different 6-digit numbers. So here is 6-digit numbers and we need to expand it. By expanding the number, expansion of a number means writing the place values of the different digits of a number and adding them. So I need to write the place values of different digits. So these are the different digits of the number. I need to write the place value and add them. Let us see how we can do that. So here is a number. Here is a ones place. Next one is tens place, hundred place, thousands place, 10,000 place, and lakhs place. Now I need to write the place value of the different digits. So what is the place value of 7? 7 is in the lakh place. So the place value of 7 into 1 lakh, that is 7 lakh. 70000. How many zeros are in lakh? There are 5 zeros. Now what is the place value of 4? 4 is in the 10,000 place. So the place value of 4 will be 4 into 10,000. That is 40,000. What is the place value of 1? 1 is in the 1000 place. So the place value of 1 will be 1 into 1000. That is 1000. So we write 1000. Now what is the place value of 8? 8 is in the 100 place. So the place value will be 8 into 100. That is 800. Now 5 is in the 10th place. So the place value of 5 will be 5 into 10. That is 50. And 9 is in the ones place. So the place value of 9 will be 9 into 1, that is 9. So now these are the place value of different digits. There are 6 digits with 6 different place values. Now I need to add them. So I add these values. And this is the expanded form of this number. So I have written the place value of all the 6 digits and added them to get the expanded form of this number. This is how we can expand this number, or this is called the expansion of the number. So students, now there is another 6-digit numbers. What is the expanded form of this number? So 4 is in the ones place, tens place, 100 place, 1000 place, 10,000 place, and lakh. So the place value of this 6, which is in the lakhs place, is 6 into 1 lakh, that is 6 lakh. The place value of 2, which is in the 10,000 place, so 2 into 10,000, that is 20,000, and I need to add the place values. So I write addition symbol. Next one is 0. So we plus 0. 0 is in the thousand place. 0 into 1000 is 0. So plus 0 plus 7, which is in the hundred place. 7 into 100 is 700 plus 1, which is in the 10 place. So 1 into 10 is 10. So I write 10 plus 4, which is in the ones place. So 4 into 1 is 4. So this is the expanded form of this number. Now, when we have 0, I can skip writing the 0. So I can simply write expanded form as 6 lakh plus 20,000 plus 700 plus 10 plus 4. So without writing the 0, I can simply write the expanded form like this. Okay, move to next. Now, can you write the expanded form of this number? So this number has 4 lakh. So the place value of 4 is 4 lakh. 0 has a place value of 0. 9 is in the thousand place. So the place value of 9 is 9,000. Once again we have 0 in the hundred place. So the place value is 0. 7 is in the 10th place. So the place value is 70. Now 1 is in the ones place. So the place value is 1. So this is the expanded form of this number. I can write it even without 0. So I skip writing the 0. I simply go to 4,09,070 plus 1. I don't write the 0. So even this can be written in expanded form of this number. Move to next. Next one is look at this expanded form, then write the number. So we have the expanded form of the number. So how I get that the original number of this expanded form? We know that expanded form is nothing but the number written according to the place value of different digits and then adding them. So it tells us how many lakhs are there, how many 10,000s are there, how many thousands are there, how many hundreds are there, how many tens and how many ones. So one way of getting the number is by simply adding these numbers. I can add these to get the place value. So all the zeros and 6 is added. 0 added to anything is that number itself. So if I add so many zeros to 6, I get 6. Now again, if I add so many zeros into, I get 2. 3 0 added to 5 give me 5. 2 zeros plus 3 give me 3. 0 plus 1 is 1, and then I have 8. So I have a number 8135226. This is the original number or the simplified form of this expanded form. So, students, I am sure you have understood today's topic. Hopefully, there will be no confusion. And a more important thing, I have a home task for you. You will solve the page number 32 on Countdown book. You will get all the answers of these questions from this lecture and from previous lecture. Here is some questions related to a previous lecture, and here is also questions of expanded form. So students, that's the end of my lecture. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.